Texas line. I ain't got much, but I'm damn proud of this double wide up in the pines. I'll do whatever it takes, I'll go to my grave, protecting me and mine. So you better understand, if you step on my land, I'll leave you where you lie. Let the wolves cry. Money and greed, and we've all paid the cost. There ain't no way to ease the pain from this disease or get back what we've lost. Now history says that the wolves are all dead, but the truth is we've all moved on. We're still around on the outskirts of town, just wanna be left alone. Let the wolves cry. Not far from the Texas line. I ain't got much, but I'm damn proud of this double wide off in the pine.